Hello guys, welcome to Apparel channel. My name is Jin, and today I'm in our yoga pants, like a sportwear manufacturers. This is one of our factories, and today I will introduce you guys the whole production process. So before I introduce the production line for you guys, I want to show you guys our sample room. As you can see, like around me, we have a lot like sportwear for the like leggings, like sportwear, like yoga pants, also for the like gym clothes. So they have many styles, different styles. I want to show you guys some technique, like we can make it for you. Like for example, this one is like full printing, and we can custom your own pattern or your like own logo right here for you. The second one is the tie-dye style. So this one is made by the tie-dye fabric. We buy the like tie-dye fabric for the in stock and sewing them together to make these pants. So alright, I will show you guys our production line right now. Before that, I will take you guys to the cutting area. I'm signing is our cutting area. So this area is a regular cutting board. All the workers, they are using a like hand cutting machine like this one. This is our automatic cutting machine. So once the machine running started, like they can cut like 100 pieces once at a time. Once we finish the cutting process, we will package them together like this. And we will take them to the downstairs to start the sewing process. Yeah, so you can see like back to me, we have a lot like sewing line, and each line they will take care of different parts for the sewing parts, like different part for the garments. This line is our 6 needle 4 thread area. This is very particular machine for the sportwear, for the active wear. So what's the special for this machine? If you want to like sportwear, you must need this machine. And why is that? I will explain for you. Since the touch feeling of the material for sportwear is very stretchy and soft, so we're using the 4 needle 6 threads sewing method. The sewing method of this one is way more harder, and the machine is more expensive. Compared of the normal 3 needle 5 threads, this one have knit terms and no wrapping and higher elastic. Here is what they actually do for the quality control. They will find out the bad products and return it and remake it. After they check the product, like quality control, they will do some ironing, trimming, adding the sewing tags and packaging. After everything finished, it will be ready to ship to our customers around the world. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have more questions, please connect us, and don't forget to follow our Instagram and also our website. See you guys next time. Bye bye.